It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. From the handcrafted bi-turbo engine to the dynamic performance exhaust, this AMG GTS combines poise with purpose. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, all-wheel steering, engine auto stop-start feature, hands-free liftgate, voice activation, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, dual-zone climate control, internal audio memory, voice-activated climate controls, Embrace mobile application, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Cars.com declares fast, gorgeous, and more affordable than its predecessor, the new Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS may just be the best driving car the automaker has ever made. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.